In this video, you'll learn how to build a full stack app using the Windsurf application. By following this guide, you will successfully create your project from start to finish, navigating through the necessary steps within the application. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your computer. Make sure the application is fully updated to avoid any potential issues during the process. Once the application is open, you will be greeted with the main interface, which features various options and tools. Next, locate and click on the agent option within the interface. This action will direct you to a new section where you can manage your sessions. You can easily identify this section by its distinct layouts and the available actions displayed. After that, click on the New Session button. This will initiate a fresh session for your project. Upon clicking, you should see a new window or panel appear, indicating that you are ready to begin a new task. At this point, the cascade code will appear in the workspace. This area will show you the coding environment where you can input your commands. The interface should clearly display the coding area along with any relevant tools or options. Now, type in the command, create a full stack app into the coding area. Make sure to enter this text accurately to ensure the command is recognized by the application. The input field should respond by highlighting or indicating. Once you've entered the command, click on the Enter key to execute it. This action will prompt the application to process your request. You may notice a brief loading indicator or progress bar as Windsurf begins to generate your full stack app. Finally, wait for Windsurf to complete the generation process. This may take a moment. Depending on your system's performance and the complexity of the app being created, you will receive a confirmation or notification once the app is ready for use, allowing you to proceed with further development. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.